Changing percent to fraction then, what we need to do, write it over 100 and then simplify. Here we have 25%, so we're going to write 25 on the top and 100 on the bottom and simplify. So if we use 25, we know 25 is going to itself once and into 104, giving us the fraction 1/4. 85% then, what we do, write 85 on the top and 100 on the bottom. So we're going to simplify that, and I think I'd start with 5. So 5 into 85 goes 17 times, and then into 100 we know it goes 20. We can't get it any smaller than that. So you might get given 2%, same system again, 2 on the top, 100 on the bottom. Now obviously we're going to use 2 to simplify, so 2's into itself go 1, and then 2's into 100 we know goes 50 times, so the answer 1/50. So what if we now had 13%? Same thing, write 13 on the top as the numerator and 100 as the denominator. Simplify. Now what we remember is 13 is a prime number, so we won't be able to reduce it any smaller than this, so our answer is 13/100.